Hi there! Now is the time to fertilize bell peppers, both in the open field and in the greenhouse. This is the moment when the first peppers begin to gain technical maturity, i.e., when the fruit gradually changes from green to the color that corresponds to the varietal properties. This is when the plant needs a lot of nutrients, and it is important that they are not only in the soil, but also in an easily accessible form, so that the pepper can easily absorb them, increase in size, gain sugar, improve taste and keep in quality. To do this, I use potassium sulfate, a potash fertilizer that contains potassium, sulfur and some other elements. It dissolves well in water, does not caking during long-term storage, and most importantly, does not contain chlorine. It can be used for both root and foliar feeding. Foliar feeding should be done only when you need to see the effect very quickly. I'm not in a hurry, so I use root fertilization. To do this, you need to dissolve 30 grams of potassium sulfate, a full tablespoon, in 10 liters of water. The main thing is to mix it well, leave it to brew for a minute, and you can feed the peppers. I start fertilizing in the morning. Beforehand, in the evening, I spill the plants well so that the soil is moist. This way, the fertilizer will quickly reach the roots and begin to be absorbed. This is a mandatory rule before any fertilization. It must be carried out on moist soil. For one plant, only 1 liter of the finished solution is required. Such fertilization is carried out only once a season, just before the start of fruit ripening. This helps to improve the taste, accelerate the ripening of the crop, and also stimulates the plant to form a second crop in the upper branch. Therefore, this season, another fertilization will be needed, which one I will tell you in the following videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't miss the release of new videos.